Hello, good afternoon, good afternoon. It's 12, almost 12 na. So, I finished already to clean here in the kitchen, the room of Madam, and the bathroom of Madam, and the office. And now, because it's no school of Celine, just a minute, you just play there na. Yela na, listen na, Yela, sit down there. Look, because you want to close the, what's that? And I lit them in the morning, so we finish good breakfast. And when sir he go in the office, and then now I let them to eat the spaghetti. And thanks God she ate, even she didn't eat all. At least that she ate already my red spaghetti pasta, red pasta. I said them that this one is red pasta. There is white pasta and there is also red pasta, so that's why she ate. And I mix the hamburger slice to mix para what's that, and also for me. And Yoko, she ate also the salad without sauce, this one, because so that she can eat good and without the sauce, because sometimes she is eating, but at least that fresh only, there is no sauce. Okay, so she ate almost how many, so at least that before I continue my clean in the sala and in the dining, because I have still my laundry, I fix first that one and then clean what's that, excuse me, the room of Celine is later. And after that one, everything that I can fix in the afternoon will be okay. I finish na my cleaning and what's that, so I make live. Maybe I make live even 1 hour only, or 1 hour or 2 hours, it depends. So once again, thank you very much, and happy Sunday. And sorry, the weather now is little bit calm down na, and there is the sun. In the morning only is it's not really good, and I wish that this day, whole the day, I don't know, in the night or in the afternoon, kasi in the weather is making today is raining time. So when I finish, tomorrow will be, everything will be okay, the weather, so I can mix wash my laundry and to change the bedsheet of Madam. So that is my daily routine as usual. That is my daily routine here as a OFW, that while I'm working here in Iraq. At least because she is with me, so that's why I must to pay attention even if my cleaning is delay, and not more general like cleaning. Just the important that I can mix, fix everything and clean. And the most important is Sisi, because she is with me. At least she is eating. She finish it, and then later if she want to eat again, I can let them to eat. We have rice and talaja also, and some sauce. And that's what only we are here. If we are stay inside only in the apartment, in the unit of Madam. So thank you for watching. Thank you for all that you are giving, and you are helping everything what I have here. And thank you so much for the support again from the beginning and until now, that you will be still supported in my channel. And I say thank you very much, and more blessings, more provide every day everything what we need to all those people living in this earth, in the different countries, of course, in the different countries, because we are not knowing each other talaga. Okay, so look, that is the weather. Where is it naman? Now is the weather. So as of what I'm telling, thank you very much, Lord, for everything that we have. And thank you everything, Lord, for giving and provided everything what we need. Especially to all of us living in this earth, that in the different, we belong in the different countries, in the different people, stay in our individual home residence or mga condo units or whatever what we have. At least that we are still living in this earth, and we are lucky because God always provided everything we need in our life. So, and always keep safe lagi, okay? Keep safe lagi to all people in this world. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, sa buong angkan to may angkan, to the both side of my nanay and tatay, both side of my employer, to my madam and sir and their friends, and to those people in this living in the country of Iraq, and to the different countries that we have here in this world. So thank you very much talaga. And some blogger also that I am connected with you. Thank you that you're some of your supporters, some of your viewers, and some of your subscribers, they connect and they are helping in my channel. Thank you, because most of them that they are already legit YouTuber, and how many we are only that we just starting to enter the social media of the YouTube company. Thank you very much, and to all staff of the YouTube company and the different countries, in the different offices, mga branches, kumbagang the owner. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you, and bye, and God bless us all. Bye. Si bye ikaw. Ito ang give ni Bye! Yela si bye. Bye. Sus ang mata. Make your back. Turn back. Nagpa-sounds pa naman yan. Okay. O, sige na Yela. Nag-okay we go there, Yela. This one is from Tita. I don't know if that one is made by Tita or by outside. Okay, thank you Tita, thank you Anjido, thank you to the Kamal family and to the family of Madam. Thank you very much. More blessings at all. God bless us all, and bye.